Imagine turning any YouTube playlist like this one into a whole course in 5 minutes. Here's how you can do so with EverLearns. First, let's start a new course and set it up with some basic information, such as the course topic, which is how to start a startup, the target audience, learning outcomes, as well as the language or some other requirements. Let's click Next. This is where you can add any references that EverLearns should look at while generating the course. This is where you can upload all the YouTube videos from any YouTube playlist, such as this Startup School playlist from YC. For me, I have already uploaded all of them to this folder, YC Startup School, so all I need to do is to click this. Now that all the materials are connected, let's start generating the course overview. Now that all the materials have been connected, let's start generating the course overview. As you can see, EverLearns has helped generating a whole course overview based on the information from the YouTube playlist. You can take a look at this and remove any redundant modules or add new ones if necessary. This looks good enough for me, so let's move on to the next step, where EverLearns will help me to generate the detailed curriculum, the lessons for each of the modules. Now, let's go on to the next step, where EverLearns will help me to generate a whole course based on the detailed curriculum in the last step. It's done. Here's the course studio, where you can view the specific content in each lesson and further edit it if necessary. All of the lessons have been written for me based on the materials that I have added previously. The great thing about EverLearns is that besides this text-based content, you can also add any interactive elements if you think necessary. We have quizzes, flashcards, mind maps, as well as iframe, where you can also embed any YouTube video inside the lesson content, just like this. And your students or your audience can watch it right when they are reading your lesson content. But that's not all. You can also add other interactive elements, such as flashcards if you think necessary. That's it. So you can further edit the content with this, you can further edit the content as you wish, and then if you think it is good enough, you can start sharing the course with your audience by clicking this button. Now it's your turn to try turning any YouTube playlist into a whole course with EverLearns. Go to everlearns.com and start generating your first course today.